Have you ever doom scrolled on Instagram or TikTok? I know you did, don't lie to me. I did that a lot this summer. Don't worry, I also worked on other projects too. And like many of y'all, I saw some fashion hacks tips on Instagram Reels and I thought to myself, damn, looks nice, maybe I should try it. And like everyone else, I saved the video and never tried it. But today is different. I will try 5 fashion hacks and tips I saw on Instagram Reels this past few weeks. I have them on my phone. Yes, yeah, I'm not recording with my phone anymore, guys. The camera I'm using is so bad. I'm sorry if the autofocus doesn't work that well. I have to work with this for now. Okay, so let's start with the first one. I know this is technically not fashion, but I've been getting a lot into fragrances lately. I started building a small collection. I really enjoy it. I think it's a nice addition to your outfit. It really elevates it to a whole nother level. For this test, I will use this fragrance. This is Calvin Klein Contradiction for Men. This was a gift. It smells nice, you know, it's fresh and clean, but the performance, especially the longevity, is bad, really bad. So I think this is the perfect test subject for this video. I did not find the exact same. I found this one. I'm sorry. I thought I had a big bottle like that, but I couldn't find it. So we'll work with this. I don't know if it's gonna work the same way or not. If it does work, that's cool. If it doesn't, I'll try another day with the real stuff. Basically, what I'll do is I'll put some of it here, then spray, and on the other wrist, I'll just spray without the product. And that way, I'll see if it works or not. I won't know right away, so I'll keep you updated at the end or during the video. That's why I wanted to do this one first. I think this is enough. Maybe it's too much. I don't know. Yeah, I'm putting it here. Alright, I think that's more than enough. My fingers are greasy. I always want to do this. Yeah. Alright, other wrist. I missed. I'm sorry. Alright, but it's fine. I look dumb as fuck, but it's fine. It's fine. Anyway. Oh, and I forgot to say, I'll link all the videos I'm using. So the next one is Drew Joyner, one of my favorite content creators on YouTube and even Instagram.
Here's how I tie my bandana around my neck to achieve this look. Step 1. Lay the bandana flat with the top side facing down. Step 2. Fold diagonally. Step 3. On the folded side, slowly and carefully fold the bandana until it looks like this. Step 4. Slip the skinny side inside your favorite ring. Bonus step, if you don't have a ring, tie the 2 ends together around your neck, repeat to make a knot if the bandana keeps getting undone. Hope this helps. Follow for more fashion insights and conversations.
I tried the bandana trick this whole summer. I know it works, it's cool. See, you got your bandana here. I'm gonna do it standing. You take it this way. You won't be perfect. Alright, I know. Trust the process, trust the process. Here you go. Put this here. Now, oh fuck, forgot the ring, sorry. You could tie it, but I don't want to. So you can take like any ring. I have this one I don't wear. It was pretty cheap, but why am I struggling to put it in the hole? Trust me, I don't usually struggle with that. And here you go. I don't know if it's like the best. I'm sure I've did it better before, but yeah. To be fair, my outfit doesn't really need this right now. I'm at home, like this is kind of pointless, but during the summer I really recommend it. Try it for yourself, guys. Now there's one problem with this hack. You know, I love a cropped look with my tees, my hoodies and all, but the problem with this way of doing is, what if you want to put a belt? Or what if, I don't know, you just stand up a bit too fast, or you stretch and it comes off. I think this one is not really that practical and useful. To be honest, it also looks a bit weird. Like when you have a cropped look, I think the nice thing is like you can see the belt. That makes it look interesting. This does not do that, so it just looks weird. I haven't tried it yet, and I'll let you know in the next segment if it actually works or not. What? So he's doing this, putting it inside. That's it? Yeah. Nah. No.
This is a shirt, and now it's a folded shirt in less than 2 seconds. Let me show you how I just did that. Grab your shirt, lay it flat on the ground with the front facing up. Now in between the collar and the sleeve, this is point A. Halfway from here to the bottom, this is point B. And the bottom is point C. Simply grab point A with your right hand, point B with your left hand, bring point A to point C, grab it with your right hand, lift the shirt up and pull point B out, put it down, fold over, boom, just like that.
Sometimes we all struggle to like fold our clothes, let's be honest. This looks wild. I don't know if it actually works. I mean, that's the point of the video, to try and see if it actually works. Fuck yeah. Yeah, you see it. Let me watch the video, cause this looks like one of the toughest ones. Point B, let's say this is point B. Alright, I think I get it. Wait. This can actually work. Wait. Watch this. Just needs a little bit of practice, but this is actually not bad. So point A, point B, point C. Alright, this is fucking amazing. Another cropping video, of course, I say that. This video doesn't look like a bad idea. The problem is, if you have a long day ahead, it may start to be annoying, or if you're eating and stuff, because it's a belt. Okay. It's falling, guys. This looked way easier when I watched the video, oh my god. What? This does not look like a good idea. Alright. I think I got... I look fucking dumb. Anyway. Yep. Let's close it because it looks extremely dumb. Maybe it will work better with a more normal one. Let's see. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? I feel dumb, to be honest. Yeah. It's not holding anything. Not a fan of it. Yep. At least not with this kind of jacket. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to try something a bit different. I know I haven't posted in a while. I've been busy with a lot of other projects, especially for my main channel in French, because this is not my main channel, guys. That's why I cannot always be as active. And also, you know, uni. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Too many belts today, alright? Too many belts. That's why. Turn on the notifications bell. Follow me on Instagram, I'm really active there and my posts are cool. And I'll see you in the next video really soon, I promise, and you'll love it. Bye.